Welcome everybody. In this video we're going to be unboxing the CR85 laser radar detector from Whistler. As you can see, this is one of our high performance models. This is going to have the KA max mode, which is going to improve your KA band sensitivity. It also includes radar signature and laser signature ID. This uses a blue OLED text display. It has the pop mode detection along with the real voice alerts. And it does have our total laser detection, so this is capable of detecting the LTI True Speed S, the Laser Ally, and the Laser Atlanta Stealth mode. And if we flip over to take a look at the back of the box here, we got a little more complete list of the features that are contained in this unit, and a description of what some of those features are going to do for you. And then up here in the corner, we've got a list of the accessories that are included with the unit. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So we'll just pull this tab open here. Box opens up. So let's go ahead and take a look at the accessories that are included. The first thing we've got here, we've got our power cord. This is going to be the 12-volt power cord that's going to plug into the 12-volt socket. We've also got in here with it, this is the hardwire kit. So instead of running to the 12-volt socket, you can plug directly into your fuse box and draw power from there. It does have a non-slip dash pad included. So that can be mounted to your dashboard instead of onto your windshield. And then of course it does come with the windshield bracket kit. This has got the metal windshield bracket with the suction cups included. Alright, and then of course we've also got our owner's manual. This is going to give you general operating instructions for the radar detector, along with some information about radar. Okay, and the next thing that we want to take a look at is of course the radar detector itself. Okay, so let's go ahead and make a little space here. It comes in this nice little bag to keep it protected. It does also have these lens protectors. So we'll get those off of here. Get a better look at the unit. Alright, so here it is. As you can see on the top of the unit here, right across the middle here is where our speaker is located. And right down in here in these little notches, we've got our low profile alert periscopes. So those are going to flash when you get an alarm, and that's going to give you an additional visual alert. Across the front here, we've got our 4 control buttons, our dark button, quiet button, city, and menu. And these are going to allow you to operate the different functions of the radar detector. If we look over on the side here, we've got our power switch. This is going to turn the unit on and off, as well as turn the volume up and down. This button back up here in the corner, this is going to be our bracket release button. So once we have our windshield bracket locked into place, we can press and hold this down, and that'll allow us to pull that right out. On the other side of the detector, we have got our power socket right back here. This is where you're going to plug your power cord into. And then this little spot right here, this is going to be the light sensor for the auto dim. So that's going to allow the unit to adjust the brightness of the display based on ambient light. On the back of the detector here, this is going to be the window that covers our radar and laser antennas. And right up above that window is where the windshield bracket is going to slide in. And at the bottom of the unit here, we've got our model number and our serial number, and some FCC information. And then of course right here on the front, this is where our display is going to be. This is where we're going to read all of our information about what's going on with our radar detector. Okay, so this is the CR85 laser radar detector from Whistler. For more videos, you can check out our YouTube channel. That's at youtube.com/Whistler Group Inc. While you're there, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.